Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get API keys and tokens on Trello. So all you have to do is head over to trello.com/power-ups/admin and you might be redirected to this page. So what we're going to do is just check this box, then click on continue. We will then be redirected to Power Ups and Integrations page. And all we have to do is create new integration. So from here, we can add an integration name. Say this, for example, just filling up all the necessary information that's being asked. So we don't need this iframe connector URL. So we're just going to skip that one, enter your email and also an email or support link. Also add your company name or personal name if you're not associated with an organization. Then once done, just click on create. So from here, what we're going to do is just click on generate a new API key. Just click on this once again. And this is where we can easily get API key. We can also manually generate a token by clicking on this one. All you have to do is grant access permissions by clicking allow. And from there, we have also successfully generated token on Trello. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!